This took 7 hours to make, and you notice that the only thing left is the nose. But look at the detail. Isn't that cool? I'm so excited. And look at all the printer poop. That's what they call this. A printer's poop. Yep. It is so awesome. You see right now it's purging again. I guess it's going to do another color. Not sure. Alright, oops. I have no idea what this is. Isn't that cool? Now it's going to change colors again. Look, it's almost done. Look at the detail. Just a few more minutes and it'll be finished. Look at the fingers. The nose is almost done. That is so awesome. Look at it. Yeah. I'll be showing it to you in just a little bit, what it all looks like when it's done. Look. I still don't know what this is for. See, it's finishing its nose. And it comes over here and then it goes all the way back and it does its purging thing and makes more poop. It's kind of fun to play with. That's how it makes it noise. Alright. So here it is. Completely finished. Look at that face. Alright. Let's get it off the mat. And there is all the... Yep. It's all in the... There it is. The poop. From you. Yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. Isn't he cute? Now, I'm not sure what this is for. But it's interesting. Okay. And set him up. Guess you could put it behind him. Keep him from falling. Look at the little feet. And the hands. It almost looks like it's got like sloth hands. And his eyes. There you go. Took a little strings in it. Some little. Even his ears jiggle. That's so adorable. Look at the little. Oh! But I'm not sure what this is for. I'm going to have to find out. I am so thrilled with this print. Look at it. It's just so cute. See if I can still get you in here as I take off this. This is the first layer. It makes a little bed to put it on, but it just, oh, look at it. Kung Fu Panda. Yes, 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 yes. I think I'm more excited about the toys than anything. But it is adorable. Oops, I'm dropping stuff. I still don't know what this is for, so we'll just... this is not probably something I should be putting it on, but... How's that? Oops. There. I got him all posed. Look. Isn't he cute? Can't wait to show Ripley in the morning. He's asleep right now. But it is cute. I hope you like this video. And if you're thinking about getting a printer, a 3D printer, the A1 Mini is awesome. Now I want the A1. the bigger one, the one that does the can do a lot bigger prints, but that'll have to be a while from now. So I really don't care for the Ender. It has too many problems. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to still play with it, but this one has been so much easier now that I got all the cords and everything done and everything. So, all right, y'all have a blessed evening. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. Oh, it took 8 hours to do this. So, this one project. All right, talk to you later. Bye.